I'm that Samantha and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some candy. This is Foodie Surprise. It is a collectible cart with the candy making kit included, and after we finish making all of the candy, I will be taste testing it for you. Now, normally me and Josh will taste test these together, however, he is currently unavailable, so instead I will be saving some of the candies we make for him to try later on TikTok, so keep an eye out for that. I'm excited to make these treats and try them, so let's get started. Today we are doing not one, but two Foodie Surprise food carts. These are from season 1 and there are different carts to collect. There's an ice cream cart, a pizza cart, a sushi cart, and a bubble tea cart. We're gonna start with this one and see what it is. Hopefully we don't get duplicate carts. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. It's a sundae cart. I guess it's the ice cream cart. Look at the wheels. Oh, that is adorable. I absolutely love this. Oh, and the strawberry comes off. How cute. And it looks like we've got a guide on the inside. I wonder where all the candy is. Here is the guide of all the different food carts we could have collected, as well as the takeouts, which I'm assuming we'll get one inside. Now let's see if we can get this cart opened up. So we know that the strawberry pops out and opens up, but I'm assuming the candy is in here, but how do I get this open? Oh, do we just pull? I don't want to break this. I think it came with a guide. So looking at the guide, we're supposed to pop this out. Look! And here are all of the baggies that we will need. And I believe there's something in here as well. Oh, the bananas come off. Oh, so we've got a measuring cup and various molds and a few more molds here. We will set those aside for now, along with those. I couldn't resist. I put the cart back together. This is so cute. But we are going to set that aside along with all of our ingredients and tools so that we can open up the second box. Let's hope for no duplicates. Here's our guide and everything that comes with it. And it is not a duplicate! What the heck is this? Oh, it's a pepper! Look at that orange pepper. And our cart, we got a pizza cart this time. That is so cute. I like that the front is a little pizza cutter and then our pepper. And now how do I open up this one? Oh, it's got a little roller here. Do I just pick this up? Oh, here's a dropper. And I might have to look at the guide. Oh, we've got some stuff in here. All right, let me check the guide and see if there's an easier way to open this up. So looking at the guide, once the pepper is removed, we can remove the pizza and the roller here. Look at that. And then I believe we can pull this apart. Oh, maybe the wheels come off first. Wheels off. I think we're supposed to separate this. Oh, there you go. So here's the front of the car. And we open this up to find all of our ingredients and other tools that go along with it. Now let's see if I can put this back together. Ta-da! I've separated both kits. I think we're going to start with the sundae one. So let's move this one aside and see what we've got in here. There is a peach bag, a purple bag, and a pink bag. A small gray one, yellow, white, and red. Included with each kit were all of the steps required to make all of the different treats. We're going to start with the sundae one. So the first thing we need to do is make some waffle bowls. The first thing we need is water filled up to the 15 milliliter line. And then we grab our peach pouch. And pour it in. Clean up my mess. We take our little pink spoon and we're going to mix. I believe it's done mixing. The food packets don't tell us what flavors these are, but it smells kind of like pina colada. Now we take our molds. We have two different molds. And we are going to pour half of this mixture into the waffle bowl here. And the other half into the other one. Now with each one of these, we're going to take the top part and squish. Next up is the gummy cherries. For the cherries, we need 5 milliliters of water and our red packet. And mix. Now that we're done mixing, we grab the little cherry molds that we have here and we fill them. Next up are the gummy bananas, which requires 5 milliliters of water. And the yellow packet. And we mix. Smells like banana. I didn't really smell the cherries, but I would assume they smell like cherries. This definitely smells like banana. And we pour this into our banana molds. It's a little bit thick. Now it's time for our vanilla scoops. 5 milliliters of water. And our purple packet. this says this is supposed to thicken up in order for me to make 2 vanilla balls out of it, which it already seems to be pretty thick. I just don't know if it's quite thick enough for me to roll yet. I grabbed myself a plate so we can place our vanilla. Well, it's supposed to be a vanilla ball. Looks more like a weird shape. Perhaps it'll harden a little bit later and then we can actually roll it. Strawberry scoops are next, which is the same concept as the vanilla scoops. 5 milliliters of water and our pink packet. And we mix. Okay, this one definitely looks like it formed better. I can actually roll it into a ball. I went ahead and made our drizzle topping and opened up our sprinkles. Now we can put it all together. Unfortunately, the waffle boats didn't come out quite as expected, but all I did was cut out the sides and I left all of the candy in there. So those are our waffle boats. Next is our scoop. So we will put a strawberry scoop and a vanilla scoop in each boat. Our bananas, and our cherries. Some icing on top. And the sprinkles. What do you guys think? I'm really sad the waffle boat didn't create, but this was a good alternative. It still looks super cute. And remember, we are saving one for Josh. Now for the pizza candy. Let's open up our bags. Two brown bags in this one. And in this one is a blue, red, gray, and 2 white. Looking at the directions, the first thing we have to create are some gummy pepperoni. Gummy peppers are next. pizza dough is up next. Let's put our pizza together. There you have it, our candy pizza. Here are all the different foods we made. Again, half of these will be saved for Josh so that he can try them on TikTok, so keep an eye out for that soon. Now to test out our desserts, we will start with the pizza. It is very mushy. Very, very mushy. It doesn't have that great of a flavor. It tastes like terrible pina colada. That was not a good flavor. I'll be interested to know what Josh thinks. All right, now for the ice cream sundae. Gonna grab this one. The ice cream sundae. And remember, this has plastic that I do have to watch out for. It's very mushy and very chewy. The gummies, the banana and the cherry are really good. Everything else is not so great. That was very interesting. Overall, the toys themselves are super cute. If I were to buy them again, I would buy them only for the collectible cards. The candy, however, I would pass. That's it for today. I hope you guys had fun. I had an interesting experience, and I'm sure Josh will as well, with all the different flavors that he's about to try. So make sure you go check that out on TikTok. If I haven't posted it yet, just know it is coming up. See you guys later.